You worked your entire life for success, but tell me honestly, why do you still feel empty inside? Exploding head. Nobody tells you this. Success in 2025 is designed to keep you unhappy. Imagine a student, he studies 12 hours a day, cracks the exams, lands a high-paying job. Graduation cap briefcase. First year? Excitement. Second year? Stress. Third year? He stares at the ceiling every night wondering, why do I still feel nothing? Or imagine a businesswoman, she builds her empire, buys her dream home, drives the luxury car, wears the designer labels. Sparkles, but at dinner, she eats alone, scrolling through her phone, envying people who look happier with less. This is the story of millions today. And if you feel this, you're not broken. The system is. The truth is brutal. Modern success is an illusion. Every app, every ad, every job review, it's all built to whisper, still not enough. Hustle culture thrives on your insecurity. Chart-decreasing luxury marketing survives on your emptiness. And society celebrates your burnout like it's a medal. Sports medal you weren't taught to live. You were trained to produce. That's why success feels empty, because the game was rigged from the start. Think about it, our education tests us on memorizing facts, not on living well. Schools rank us on test scores, not on happiness. Universities push us to get a job, not to find meaning. Your parents measure your growth by your salary, not by your inner peace. So no wonder so many of us wake up at 30 or 40 feeling lost, empty and disillusioned, thinking, this is it. Is this all there is? But here's what they never taught you. 2,000 years ago, ancient civilizations already solved this. Crossed swords in India, warriors practiced pranayama before battle. Not to fight harder, but to find inner stillness. Person in lotus position in Stoic Rome, Marcus Aurelius wrote daily reminders, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Water wave in Japan, samurai followed misogi, water rituals to wash away desires and return to clarity. These weren't rituals for monks only. They were survival codes, to stay human in a world of chaos. And science now confirms, breath resets your nervous system, gratitude rewires your brain, and silence restores your focus. So the problem isn't your success. The problem is, you forgot the rituals that make success feel alive. If you want to reclaim your inner fire, and feel alive in your success, here are 3 morning rituals to start immediately. 3 evening rituals to end your day right, and 3 weekly rituals to reset your whole system. First, the digital detox ritual. Our phones are designed to abuse our monkey brains. Their infinite scroll feeds our insecurities, making us constantly crave external validation. Look at how Instagram makes you feel. You compare your worth to strangers. You curate your life to show what you have, not who you are. You chase likes instead of real connections. Even worse, you check your phone first thing in the morning, letting external noise control your mood. So here's what to do. As soon as you wake up, before you touch your phone, close your eyes, take 5 deep breaths. Don't use your phone. For the first 5 minutes, remind yourself, I am enough before I achieve. Just being present is enough. No need to rush. Remind yourself, I am enough before I achieve. Then slowly get up, stretch, yawn, drink water. Now you can check your messages. Promise yourself, no social comparison today. Instead of scrolling aimlessly, make a list of 2 things you're excited about today. And last, plan 1 small act of kindness. Maybe hold the door for someone, compliment a stranger, send a thank you note. By the end of the day, you'll feel better about yourself. And your phone won't feel like your master. Second, the warrior's breathing. You know those days where you're hustling, working nonstop, suddenly you feel overwhelmed, stressed, anxious, even panicked. Your heart races, your hands sweat. It feels like a mini panic attack. What do? You take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6 and repeat 3 times. Science proves it. This simple breathing pattern shifts your body from stress mode to calm mode in 3 minutes. It's called the 4-4-6 breathing method. It was popularized by Andy Puddicombe, the co-founder of Headspace. Here's how it works. Inhale for 4 seconds, then hold your breath for 4 seconds. Finally, exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat this process 3 times. Third, the gratitude anchor. At night when you're winding down, there's a mental ritual that can either make you sleep deeply or keep you awake with overthinking. It's all about what you focus on before bed. Think about your worries and fears and what could go wrong tomorrow and you toss and turn anxious. On the other hand, think about 3 good things that happened today, 3 things you're grateful for and you'll drift off to sleep with a peaceful smile. So here's what to do. Every night before bed, write down 3 small things you're grateful for. Not big achievements, tiny moments. A smile, a hug, a breath, anything that made you happy today. Doing this for 7 days rewires your brain to focus on the good in your life. You'll see life through a lens of abundance, not lack. And watch how much lighter your heart feels. Remember this: happiness isn't waiting at the end of your success. It's built in your daily rituals, your stillness, your presence. 2025 will keep lying to you: buy this, earn that, chase more. But the truth? You already have enough. Success without inner peace is just slavery with a shiny name. But when you reclaim these forgotten rituals, success stops feeling empty. It starts feeling alive. If this truth hit you hard, comment "awakened" below. I read every single one. And I've created a free guide of 5 ancient rituals that will unlock a decade of progress in just 90 days. Link in description. Download it before you forget. And if you're ready to break free from digital slavery, watch this next video here. It'll open your eyes.